Condense each expression. 7 log base 3 of x minus 1/2 log base 3 of 6 minus x. The first thing we're going to do is use the power rule. What we're doing today is the reverse of what we did yesterday. Okay, we're going to be doing the reverse process. So this is equal to log base 3 of x to the power of 7 minus log base 3 of 6 minus x to the power of 1/2. That is the same thing as log base 3 of x to the power of 7 minus log base 3 of the square root of 6 minus x. Now, since the bases match, they're both log base 3, we can use the quotient rule and write this as log base 3 of x to the power of 7 divided by the square root of 6 minus x. Next one here. Okay, first step is power. Log base 7 of 3x to the power of 5 minus log base 7 of 6x plus 4 to the power of 1/3. Okay. That is log base 7 of 3x to the power of 5 minus log base 7 of the cube root of 6x plus 4. Again, since it's subtraction, we can use the quotient rule. That is equal to log base 7 of 3x to the power of 5 all over the cube root of 6x plus 4. Next one. Okay. So now we have addition and subtraction. So we're going to use both the product and the quotient rule. First of all, we have to use the power rule though. We have log base 3 of a to the power of 8 plus log base 3 of b minus log base 3 of 5c squared. So this is going to be your numerator. You have log base 3 of a to the 8th times b all over 5c squared. That is 25c squared. Next example, I'm going to show you another way to work with this minus sign here. You can actually turn it into a plus here. This is natural log of 15 plus the natural log of a to the power 8 plus the natural log of b to the power of negative 11. Notice that instead of bringing a positive 11 up here, I brought up the negative 11. You could think of it as being plus a negative 11 like that, plus the natural log of c. So now I can use the product rule all the way across. So I have the natural log of 15, a to the power of 8, b to the power of negative 11 times c.